Let's quickly learn about the get and post method in this lecture. So if you just search for something like, let me say, cricket, and if I just hit enter, then it will just search for the international matches that is given here. So here what you get is this link. So let me just grab this link first. Let me just copy this. Let me open my Sublime, and if I just paste it down here, so we have just get this link. So basically if you just press google.com and search for the cricket, you are going to get this page over here, which is the get request. So this is your get. So you are just getting. So when you are getting there, you can see this two part. So let me simply make some spaces over here. So you are just searching, that is google.com, and some pages has been fetched over here with the parameter client is Firefox. So this client is basically your browser, and it is saying Firefox B, and Q is your query, which is the another parameter, which is cricket. So if I just remove the cricket and just type football, and when I just go back here, and if I just get every URL, or basically everything what we just made over here, and if I just paste it with the football, then you are going to get the pages showing the football. So this is your get method or the get request. So you are just getting some pages. But when you just go to some field, or basically the post or the field form, basically this is the form. So you are just seeing here that is the name, surname, and the email, phone number, and matches, and this is the field. When I just say something like John and Doi, so when I just press submit over here, then that name and the surname has been posted to the server. That means this is the post method. You are just posting some data to the server. Now when I just get these forms, this forms is responsible so as to just pass everything you just write here to the server, so that it would be executed. That means it is highly vulnerable. So when I just go to the BurpSuite again, and if I just get the method here, like the get, which is getting the pages, in the post is basically posting some data to the server, and simply I want to go to the repeater, send this to the repeater to see the response. And if I just remove this, and if I just paste something like Udemy, and if I just press go, and if I see the Udemy, then it is reflected right here. Now I want to just execute some code in this value field, because this value over here, which is the parameter, is vulnerable. That means I want to inject some small payload over here. So I want to run my script tag, and don't worry, we'll just deal with every of these payload in the upcoming lecture, but I want to simply show you how this works. So I want to just press this go and see response on the browser. Let me just copy this, go to my Firefox, and paste and go, and you can see our code has been executed. That means this is vulnerable. XSS attack has been found in these pages. So that means this field is vulnerable. This is the way to search for the XSS attack with the help of the repeater. We'll see how this intruder work in the upcoming lecture, where we make our own payload. And now we have completed some of the topics or some of the tools of the BurpSuite, which are very important. We have to discuss about the sequencer, decoder, and comparer in the upcoming lectures. But for now, this will be wrap for this lecture. See you in the next